Hey guys, welcome to question FM261 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question first presents us with this graph here and then says which one of the following is the minimum spanning tree for the weighted graph shown above. So the way we're going to do this question is by finding the minimum spanning tree of this graph and then comparing that to the minimum spanning trees or the spanning trees that are shown in options A through E. So, according to Prim's algorithm, we need to start with a vertex. So let's say that we started at vertex C. Now, of course, it doesn't matter which vertex you start at. Normally, you could start at any, and as long as you follow these rules, you'll still get the same answer. So if we're starting at vertex C, we want to take the smallest edge and make that part of our tree. So the smallest edge attached to C out of 2, 9, 9, and 3 is, of course, the 2. At this stage, we now look at all the possible branches that would come off of this tree. So we've got this 5, the 9 here, and 3 here. So out of these 4 options, we now pick the next smallest, which will be the 3 that we find here. Now we have to look at our next series of options. So our options from here are either 5, 4, 9, 9, or 5. So it's important to keep in mind that with minimum spanning trees and using Prim's algorithm that you have to look at all options. So our next best option is going to be this 4. So following Prim's algorithm here, we should be able to find the rest of this spanning tree. So 2 is our next best option. The next best option from here is this 4. This should be a 2. Our next best from here will be this 4. Our next best from there will be 2. Should also put this 7 in. From here, we've got an interesting choice because now we're moving from we've been moving along here. Now we're going to revert back up here and make this 5 part of our minimum spanning tree. And finally, this 6. This shape here, or this minimum spanning tree, is very similar to what you'll see in option B because that is the correct answer. Guys, if you have any questions about that, please drop them in our comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.